Welcome to this quick guide on how to find all your form submissions on Facebook Web using a PC after the new update. If you have filled out forms on Facebook before, you may want to review the information you submitted, check your previous responses, or simply see which forms are saved in your account. Facebook keeps this information inside your activity log, but the location may not be obvious at first. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer and go to the Facebook website. Log into your account if you have not already done so. Once Facebook is open, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu with several account options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. A new list will appear, and from there click on Settings. Now, look for the section related to your Facebook activity. Select Activity Log to view different types of actions and information connected to your account. Inside the activity log, you will see several categories. Find and click on Personal Information. This section contains details and records related to information you have shared or submitted through Facebook. Next, click on Saved Information. Facebook may organize different types of saved details in this area, so take a moment to look through the available options. Finally, select Form Submissions. Here, you should be able to view the form submissions connected to your Facebook account. Depending on the forms you have completed, you may see information such as submitted details, previous responses, or forms associated with businesses and services on Facebook. If you do not see any submissions, make sure you are using the correct Facebook account and that you have followed each step carefully. The menu names or layout may look slightly different depending on Facebook's latest interface update, but the general path should remain similar. And that is how you can find your form submissions on Facebook Web using a PC. If this guide helped you, consider liking the video, subscribing for more helpful Facebook tutorials, and turning on notifications so you do not miss the next update.